Denny Johnson needs to line up. Stock class. We are 5 down. 5 down. 7 to go. Graham Burrows out front there. He's on the second track. Tim Radford's in third off the base. That flag. We'll get over the last one to the 44. With the right. Come on, Mike. Up there doing this. Waiting to give us getting a little warmer than number 9. First falling low. And it's just running up the field. 7 down. With 5 to go. Close to the leader. Next is our Mike squad. 1, 2, and 3. Jim Ratcher out of the down on the outside looking in. Wayne McDevitt pulls off to number 9. Right there. Mike Flood. Jim Ratcher going on. Come on, Mike. Jim Ratcher's pulling off back. That last 33 is up. Out of the power. 9 down. 9 down for Trevor. Come through the intersection. Leads it down. 2 to go. 2 to go for Trevor at the 40. Derek Garr in the 53. Mike Flood off the base in the 44. Not good for Mike Flood. Gives the opening to Randy Hansen. Moving on up in the third there in that 88. Mike Flood off the base there and still goes.